Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. For today, the company Doximity are looking for a Python platform engineer, and it's available for the Americas only. Here are the time zones. So Doximity is transforming the healthcare industry. So join our mission to help every physician be more productive and provide better care for their patients. At Medicine's largest network in the United States, an elevated level of responsibility in everything we do. We don't take that responsibility lightly and are committed to building diverse teams with an inclusive culture that can make a direct impact on the healthcare system. One of Doximity's core values, stretching ourselves, even if you don't check off all the boxes below. We encourage you to apply. Doximity is full of exceptional people who bring their own unique experience to work every day and make us all better for it. Now, data engineers on our data service team providers standardized tools, framework, and libraries to empower data pipeline and analysis endeavors. Through horizontal scalable data stack, the data service team is responsible for continuously improving the software environment for our data analysts, machine learning engineers, and data engineers at Doximity, effectively maintain and evolving the software layer on which all data teams of Doximity build. This role can be filled in our San Francisco headquarters or remotely within the US. How do you make an impact? Collaborate with data analysts, data engineers, and machine learning engineers to understand their future needs and current blockers to ensure the Doximity data stack will meet future needs and reduce existing blockers. Understand what our data product teams are trying to achieve. Principle to help you purpose, architect, design, and implement solutions and best practices to minimize the time they can spend on their immediate goals while minimizing the time they need to spend on unrelated and redundant technical hurdles. Continues to improve our software engineering culture within a data organization by leading through example and work with other teams on isolating and understanding development, performance, and stability issues. Together with the data influence structure, you will be part of the last line of defense to resolve problems facing members of our data teams. What we're looking for: you have a professional data engineering of internal tooling experience with a focus on supporting several product teams concurrently. If you're fluent in Python and SQL and have some lower level understanding of programming language, internals, links, and networking, you understand what separates good and bad data pipelines. You are foremost an engineer, making you passionate about high code quality, automated testing, and engineering best practices. You have the ability to manage, prioritize, and deliver functional solutions. You possess advanced knowledge of analytical database, software engineering practices, testing methodologies, and data analysis. You agree that concise and effective written and verbal communication is as much for a successful team. Why you want to work here: benefits and perks. Doximity is proud to offer industry-leading benefits. Some of our offerings make medical, dental, vision, offering for you and your family, 401k matching program, family building supports, life AD&D, and disability, generous time off, holiday paid time, plus more. Alright, now about Doximity. For the past decades, it's been our mission to help every physician be more productive so that they can provide better care for parents. We believe that when doctors are connected, the healthcare system works better and patients benefit. Doximity enables our verified clinical members to collaborate with colleagues, stay up to date with their latest medical news and research, manage their careers, and conduct virtual patient visits. Today, Doximity is a leading digital platform for U.S. medical professionals and over 80,000 physicians. 50% of all nurse practitioners, physician assistants, and 90% of graduate medical students as members. Alright. Joining the company is mean being part of an incredible, talented, and humble team, passionate about improving influences in our 4.3 trillion U.S. healthcare system. We are a team of doers who solve problems every day by treating obstacles like an adventure, and we love creating technology that has real, meaningful impact on people's lives. Doctors are committed to working towards a more equitable world, both within and beyond our office walls. It starts by fostering an inclusive and diverse work environment where differences are valued and all employees are encouraged to bring their full, authentic selves to work daily. To learn more about our cultural users, check our career page, company blog, engineer blogs. They're also an equal opportunity employer. So if you're interested, check the link in my bio. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.